In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate any item in Core Keeper, so that you can have a chest full of rune songs or any other item that you might want to duplicate. Now this is kind of cheating, so I don't just recommend doing it for fun. However, I do think there is some use case for it if you're in a multiplayer with a bunch of friends, and you come across a pretty rare item that's really difficult to find, such as a rune song or a phantom spark, and multiple people in your world kind of want that item. In which case, you could do the following method. So I'm going to be duplicating an obliteration ray and a pretty cool pair of sunglasses. So the first thing that you want to do to duplicate some items is to place them in a chest in your world here. After this, you're going to want to close your world, save and exit. Once you're in the menu screen here, you just want to create any empty world and just give it any name. Once you've made your new world, just close the game down fully. The next steps are going to be in the File Explorer. From your desktop, you just want to go to your File Explorer and you want to go to the following path. It will be something along the lines of Program Files, Steam, User Data, whatever number you see there in the next file, and then you want to go to the file called 1621690, and then go into Remote, and eventually you'll see a Worlds file, and this is where all your world save data is. So this file here basically contains all the worlds that you've created in your game, in pretty much the order that you created them. So this 0 world is my very first world that I created, and this is the one I want to copy. This last world in this list is the blank world that we've just created. So we're going to delete this temporarily, then we're going to copy this file here, which is the world that we want to duplicate, and then just paste it in this file. But now we need to rename it to the world that we've just deleted, which will be, in this case, 6.world. But just take a note of whatever the world was called before you rename it. So what we've done here is we've replaced the blank world that we've just created with a copy of the world with the items that we want to duplicate. So now, if we go and reload our game, and then go to our world files, this duplicate world was the blank world with nothing in it. However, if we load it now, you can see that we're actually in our original world. And if we open the chest here, it contains the items that we wanted to duplicate. Let's quickly put these sunglasses on, and then jump back to our original world. And as you can see, we have now duplicated our obliteration ray, and we have 2 pairs of sunglasses. One for us, and one for one of our friends. As I mentioned, I don't recommend just doing this for fun. It's kind of cheating, and it kind of ruins the game a little bit. If your whole squad has rune songs, it's going to make the game a little bit too easy. However, this can save you so much time trying to explore the world for multiple copies of these items. I know that a ton of people have spent hours, if not weeks, trying to find these items with no success. So if you do finally find one item, and you want to give one to your friend, why not try this duplication strategy? And this isn't just good for duplicating items. You can just do it to get a copy of your friend's world. For example, me and my friends play on a multiplayer server, however I like to record videos on that server. So getting a copy of the world means I can record without them having to turn the server on every time. There's probably many good use cases of this, so let me know in the comments if you can think of any good uses for this. In my case, I don't really need these extra things, so I am going to delete them and go delete the other world. If you have found the video useful and you want to get a copy of your friend's world, why not send it that way so that they can copy that world for you? And if you want to see more Core Keeper content like this one, please do give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel because I'll be uploading much more content just like this. But until then, take it easy and I'll catch you all in the next video.